What's up guys? For today's video, as I promised, I'm gonna do a last survival ammo crate that you can buy online. This one I got on Amazon. I think this is called ammo crate, and this is the most expensive one. Huge ammo case, that's for sure. So let's open it up and let's see what this one has. I might have to stand up for this video. Same way, it's opened up like that, but looks like it's come off all the way. This is cool. I do not have AmmoCan like that just yet, so that's nice. I think this is $250 or something like that. First, what we got here? Stay sharp and fast. There's a bunch of sharpening tools, maybe. Yep, a little knife sharpening tool. Zombie nick, what is this? A little cheap knife over here or something? Yep, this kind of funky knife over here. Stay sharp, run fast. That's kind of ugly right here with the logo, but yeah, there's a little knife with release on over here on the side. I don't like it so much. I like the release over here. Anyways, let's see what else we got. Okay, it's some kind of compass and a ruler, but really cheap because compass doesn't really spin. It's weird. Anyways, let's see what else I got. Z Hunter. Some kind of weird stuff over here. So looks like this is all about tools. Now that we got fire starting stuff, if we get this AmmoCan as well, this is a really sharp little throwing hatchet or whatever you want to call it. That's cool. Not really big fan of this kind of toys because they just look cool, but not super, what do you call it, usable. I guess you can practice throwing it and stuff like that. Okay, another one right here. The packaging almost like for kids, but the tools inside there is actually very serious tools you don't want kids to have. Oh, look at that, another little axe. Double axe, strange looking axe, probably will never use. I don't know what you would use it for, just looks cool, that's it. Anyways, let's see what else we have. Looks like we're going to have a bunch of swords and stuff like that against the zombies. Well, I'm kind of disappointed with that because you know what, I have regular machetes and stuff like that that is way better than this stuff in my opinion. Let me know in comments below guys, what do you think about that? Do you think this is actually high quality stuff? I think this is just cheap, cool looking swords, but in reality they probably will break easily if you use them. And there's another one. This is like a machete, a big machete. Plastic handle. Sword is alright, just cheap stuff, that's for sure. And there is a couple of throwing knives, daggers, whatever you want to call them. This whole thing is pretty much zombie survival kit with all the swords and stuff. I don't know if I like this much. Okay, the rest is the paper. Honestly, the only thing I love about this ammo crate is only this can. That's it. Definitely not worth paying $250 something for a bunch of goofy swords and knives, because you know what? You can actually pick out a really good one or two for $250 and buy yourself ammo crate for other stuff. Because I know I'm not going to be using any of those, and packaging looks like for kids in my opinion. This is pretty much was a mystery ammo crate for me. I did not know what to expect. I just ordered, didn't look what was gonna be inside, just to keep it surprise for myself as well. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below, what do you think about this ammo crate? Everybody probably gonna say it wasn't worth $250. I agree with you probably. But anyways, thank you for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up this video, and I'll see you next time.